What's going on, guys? Eric here from Dose VT. Happy to bring you another video. So, as you guys have probably seen in my previous video, if you haven't, go back and watch it. It is on these Pro Joy-Cons. So, basically what this is, this just came out. So, we're looking at this piece right here. These controllers aren't a power bit. It's just the unit right here. So, the company it's Nintendo Switch making, but Hori, I believe is how you pronounce it. It's Hori. They make this special thing for these controllers. So, based off of what I know is you need this special unit to use these controllers without having them attached to the Switch. So, now one of the biggest things is when I saw this, obviously I have the controllers. I was like, well, let's see what this thing can do. If it works great. The one thing that I'm kind of worried about is that it's wired, so that means you can't sit on one side of the room while your Switch is docked on the other side. So we will see here when I open it up what type of wire we're working with, how long the wire is, and honestly if having these Pro controllers are even worth it. So, opening it up, there's nothing special in the box. All that came out was this. Then you got some documentation. We don't want that. No one cares about that. Ooh. I was wrong. It actually comes with two. My apologies. I didn't think it would come with extra ones. So, that makes my other video. I might as well take those back since I have these black ones. So basically this is what it comes with. It showed on the box. So they do come off like normal Switch controllers and they slide back on as normal Switch controllers, so nothing crazy there. They're exact same as my red ones here. So my previous video saw me unbox the red ones. Nothing crazy. Basically everything's the same. This has a headphone jack in it, so if you wanted to plug your headphones in, you could listen, unless you're using Bluetooth. Obviously that's the best way to go. Unless you're trying to get true audio, then using something like this will help. So I'll show you on the back. For the people that haven't seen the video, you got these little buttons on the back, so you can basically use your ring finger, middle finger, however you play, to hit these buttons that you can program and stuff like that. On the left side here, you still have your minus button, your little Joy-Con thing there, your D-pad, then you got your picture taking button, turbo, and assign button, same thing on this side, plus your normal A, B, Y, X. Then you have your home button, then obviously the assign turbo, then your little squirrely wheel is like what I like to call them. So nothing crazy about these. I was shocked that they came with the controllers. Usually when it shows a picture like that, they don't come with the controllers. So learn something new every day. Then you got your volume buttons here in the middle. Then it is attached to a cable, which is what I figured based off the box. And then it's just normal USB type A. The cable looks decently long. Let's see on the back of the box here if they tell us how long the cable is. Dun, dun, dun. I don't see anything crazy if they tell us how long the cable is, which is just great. But based off of what I see here, you're probably talking, I don't know, probably at least 6 feet, maybe a little bit more, maybe closer to 10. Yeah, I would say that's probably closer to 10 feet, to be honest with you guys. Yeah, I would say that's probably close to 10 feet. At least 6, no problem, so at least 10. So as long as you're within 10 feet of an outlet to give this thing power, you should be okay. Outside of that, probably not the option you want to go with these type of controllers. But just another thing to have, which is cool. But I would do a more in-depth review, especially with this, to let you guys know how it works. Is it as quick as the Pro Controller? Technically, this is just a cheaper version of the Pro Controller. Is all this is that's wired. So technically, what this is and what these are cheaper than these Joy-Cons. Some people don't want to go out and spend $70-something on Joy-Cons, $60, whatever, wherever they're at and wherever you're buying them from. So people want on an alternative, and this is definitely an alternative to go, especially with how lightweight it is compared to the Pro Controller, how heavy that is, and especially how heavy the Joy-Cons are. So I'll do a more in-depth review of if this thing's really worth it. Does the mic thing work? Obviously, you're going to be stuck with so many feet to go from where you need to be plugged in at. But I'll let you guys know more. Just watch out for the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.